Now, we are going to measure the red one, okay? The red one, and pick the number there. Again, it's small, we should do 5 centimeters. Who will come and measure for me? Daddy, come. Okay, Daddy, measure. It's about how many centimeters? 13. Very good. Go and find 13. Very good, Daddy. Well done. Whiskey, come. Whiskey, measure the purple one. It's about how many until the end? 10. Very good. Come on, find out 10. About 10 centimeters. Very good. And I have one more. Be careful, it's centimeters. Oh, come on, find. Should use it twice. Okay? Very good. It's 5. It is 5. Very good. Go there. Be careful again, you should use the centimeter part. Very good, Leo. Well done. It is about 13. Very good. Come on, find out. Very good. 13. Well done. It horizontally, okay? Be careful. Take the ruler. Start from 0. Be careful. It's about how many centimeters? 14. Again.
حالك ردي
Very good.
باخچە و قوتابخانەی بان ماڵێک بۆ پەروەردە و ژیان